Ciate Fierce Flicks Liquid Eyeliner.
Why are you always wearing black?
Well, it's to remind you that if you mess with me, I'm already dressed for your funeral, darling.
This one is total preference. You can see how fat the head can go to, but it is very black. The only reason I'm like, is because it's a shiny black, and whether you like a shiny black is total preference, but it's a good formula. Benefits Brow Styler. It has powder on one end, and it has a pencil on the other.
Dear Lord, I ask that you be in control of my mouth today, and that you bind my hands so that I don't lay them on somebody and catch a charge. Amen.
This is one of my favorite eyebrow products because this powder is so awesome. It makes your brows look so natural. I didn't grab much there, actually. It makes your brows look so natural. Look at this. It's just powder. And so if you're trying to do a softer eyebrow so you don't look so grouchy, you can line them with the pencil and then shadow them in with the powder right here. Or just use the powder to set the whole pencil. I like it because it kind of goes from lighter to darker. Awesome, awesome product. Beauty by Pop Sugar. Pretty.
I just read something that hit different. Listen up. Manipulation is when they blame you for your reaction to their disrespect. Let that sink in.
Okay, we all make mistakes. I thought this was a bronzer, and then I'm looking at the packaging. It says, Be Bright Shimmer Highlighter. Cool it now. So here I am, like, dipping, like, where's the color? Where's the color? Why is this shiny? Obviously, this is a... I don't know. Do you see it? Yeah, you kind of see it after the billions of layers. But let me swipe it. So there it is. Then I swipe it on my skin. And yeah, it just kind of gives your skin just a hint of glow. So I guess if you're as fair as I am and you're applying this, it's just going to kind of give your skin just a tiny bit of that natural, very natural, like dewy glow that you have, right? But I'm going to go ahead and just swipe the other color. Here's the other color. Swipe on it. See how very, very light they are? Let's put this up top. Okay, well, that one shows a little bit more. That's more for my skin tone, I would believe. So together, they're not bad. But, like, super subtle. Half Baked No Chill Luster in the color Popstar. Popstar.
What do you say when someone says you're not my cup of tea? I drink coffee anyways.
So I know I already have highlighter in my cheek area, but just look how this is actually like so like illuminating. I actually want to just mark it on my hand and see if it's the highlighter interfering or is it just this, because this is awesome. So it has like this nice sheen to it. Look at this, where it makes your skin look glowy. Look at that. It's a beautiful color. Really cool packaging. Kind of just pushes up. Really, really nice on the skin. Perfect pink tint shade. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Plasma Gloss. It says Love, Craft, and Beauty. This is a formula that you can use on your lips, on your cheeks, on your eyes. You can see I've never opened it, so let's go ahead and try it.
I gotta straighten out my life. This fucking heat wave made me realize I can't go to hell.
Well, I will say it's a beautiful color to the skin, to the lips. Look at that. No liner on, no nothing. Right? It's not too creamy. It's not too heavy. It's just like a perfect consistency. So I thought we would put a little bit right here and see what it looks like on the skin. Wow, it gives like that nice glowy to the skin. Look at that. Oops, a little bit too much. Kind of blend it out with the other finger. Look at that. And it's nicely pigmented. They're going to add it right there. You can see it. Just going to kind of blend it into what I have. I have a pink on my cheeks. Wow. Ooh, really pigmented on the cheeks. A little bit too much for me. So we're going to blend it out. That's nice, though. Wow, that is nice. I could totally see wearing this all over the face.